Dalgona coffee is a beverage made by whipping coffee until it becomes creamy and then adding it to chilled milk. It was made popular by Young Il-woo, a South Korean actor who visited Macau where he was served the drink, and later presented it on a South Korean TV show called Pyeonsterang, Funstront. Other sources state that it originated from a South Korean YouTube channel before going viral on TikTok. The beverage's origins can be traced to the Indian subcontinent, where it is called Fenti Hui, beaten coffee, whipped coffee, and has long been popular there before being viral on social media. Dalgona is the name of the South Korean version of honeycomb toffee candy. Since it is trending and viral, I have to try it myself. This calls for coffee and sugar and a hand blender. Whip till fluffy and light. I was surprised to see the end result resembled so much like whipped cream. You can use it to decorate cakes too. Also, cappuccino can be made using this when hot milk is added. Now let's start the recipe. Take instant coffee powder. Add it in a bowl. I used my favorite instant coffee. You can add as per your taste. Add in sugar. You can add as per your taste. Add in boiling hot water. Stir it a little so sugar melts. Now get your beater. Beat till fluffy and light. It will get thick and fluffy. Hand blender is best. Now it is thick and stiff just like whipped cream. Fill your cup with ice cubes. Add in ice cubes. Pour in some cold milk. I sweetened my milk a little. Top with the whipped coffee. Stick in a straw. And enjoy.
Subscribe our channel, Knowledge for All, and click bell icon for latest videos.